Good evening, everybody. Trader, it is June 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla climbing up today quite well, up 36.33. Up 36.33, that's 5.48%, closed at 699. So still shy of 795. We don't seem to be able to cross that today, at least. Post-market, we are down by $1. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had a big drop at the beginning of the week on Monday. Then yesterday, it pretty went sideways. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. And then today we opened here quite low, went as high as 676 and could not break it and could not close above it on that first hour, could not close above it on the second hour. And then we started to go. So we broke this downward resistance right here on the third hour sideways, and the news came out and the markets boosted following Fed Chair Powell's FOMC press conference. So basically what's happening is that Jerome Powell's announced a 75 basis points, 0.75% interest rate hike. This is what I'm telling you, my friends. An interest rate hike is not supposed to be a good thing, but then the market rally. It's the interpretation of the news that is important. It's not the news, and sometimes news can be interpreted in different ways. And also you can have the traders like myself sometimes, but I'm so small compared to the big guys, that can influence the market to move up and down. This is why I take these news with a little bit of a grain of salt, because we've seen that even when Tesla is having a great earnings call, sometimes the stock is just falling like crazy. Case in point, April 20th, 42% earnings surprise, but the stock fell from approximately $1,000 to what under 700 right now. So what counts, and this is what I'm going to try to make clearer for you. What counts is the trend. So right now we are in a downtrend and we are not out of the downtrend. So yes, we had a nice day today. Yeah, the stock was up today. Great. But we are still in this downward channel. And until we are going to come out of it, I don't know when we are going to come out of it. I don't even know if we are going to come out of it, because it's possible that Tesla goes bankrupt. I don't think it will. I think there's 0.0000001 chances that Tesla will go bankrupt, but that's possible. All we need to care about is when a stock breaks a resistance or bounces on support. That's it. We don't need to care about anything else. Yes, yesterday I said, I don't know what's propping up the stock at 644. This is a horizontal support. The stock is bouncing on it, and 644 does not fit with anything in the past that's as clear cut as 619.66. So this is why I'm still standing by what I said with 619.66. This is an important support, as is 695.46 and its little brother 795. That's it. And we have this downward resistance right here. And until we break this, let's not go long. That's it. This is as easy as that. So we can open a can of beer and just watch the stock every single day. And when it breaks it, with a decent stochastic, because if it breaks it here without a decent stochastic, then it's a fake break. Let's just open the can of beer and just watch. And we can speculate. This is the rule. Breaking resistance, bouncing support. And once you bounce off support, you don't need to have stochastic. You only need stochastic over 60 when the stock breaks resistance. So this is the rule. So I should have some signs here. This is the rule. Okay, then you have Pierre that says, well, yeah, I don't feel this 644. This is just a hunch. This is just an opinion. This is the speculation side of myself. I won't I won't trade on that speculation side. This is just to shooting the breeze. Oh, yeah, I think it's going to rain tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. If it does not, I will look at it. If it does not, if it does, I'm going to take an umbrella. That's it. We don't need to predict. We don't need to predict when. We just need to observe and act. Observe and act. Okay, so rent is over. So stochastic at 45, MACD still crossed over bullish. So our little thumb up and down are staying the same. RSI below 50 and DMI getting a little bit better, but it's going to take a while. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can look at my other affiliate links. I have some interesting stuff. I'm a gadget freak, but a good gadget freak. So when I choose something, it has been well researched and it's a very useful thing. So look at my other affiliate links. You might like them. And yes, they are sponsored, of course. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.